Welcome to C Programming with Programming ABC. Today I will show how to set icon of GTK3 project, my last project. It is my last project. Checkbox, check, unchecked. Now I will set this project icon. To set this icon, I need a icon. This is my icon file, name 22. Properties, its file type dot icon ICO. Now copy this icon, code block, checkbox, paste, file name 22 and type icon. Let's write code. Hash include GTK pixbub GTK pixbub slash GTK pixbub dot ace space. Now before init GTK pix pixbub GTK pixbub space star buf buff, or you can set a pixbub GTK pixbub star pixbub space, enter, save. Now GTK window set title. After title, make a space, pix pixbub equal GTK pix puf pixbub new from file file first bracket. Now constant file name and error, file name double quote 22.ico icon file type file and comma error null null semicolon, make a space, next line GTK window GTK window set ICO and icon, set icon first bracket GTK GTK window first bracket win comma GTK pixbub pixbu pixbub semicolon. Code complete. Simple code. Now build and run. It's showing my icon, release mode, icon, you can see it, icon, sections, close. In this time I setting compiler, linker setting, compiler setting nothing to change, linker setting add leave all, and other linker option blank, search directory linker all are blank, just linker setting. You have to need this. Checkbox, just copy this icon, bin, release, paste and run your app. Icon, it's working properly, and remove default GTK icon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.